First game, Team Cordeta versus Team Baldomero.
Ivan, green ball, pinatay Postelo. Postelo, nag-iisip. Sunod, wala. Limahan yan, Delo, limahan. Bosa. Ivan. Ay, mo pasa to.
Pinatay ang...
Hello. Oy, binangga! Walang foul, eh! Ivan for three! Pasok! Bang, bang! Benga! Ayan na po! Watch out po, Commissioner! Late ka na naman! Stop the game po! Ang bigay po, guys! Hello? Madali po, magbigay po tayo kay Commissioner. Delo pasa kay David. Ivan, yung ball pass to Delo still. Nice pass, but too bad. Outside. White ball. Delo pass to Ivan. Ivan takes a start. Kapos, rebound by Boss Alvin. Number 2, power play. Oh, come on. That's not a foul. Come on, Jay. We need a better call for that, Jay. Nice pass. Block by Delo. Ivan! Nag-isa! Oy! Kinain! Yun! Ayos na rin. Bawi next line. Boss Alvin, nagtibot. Pasa kay Idol. Number 50. Doing this kata. Uy! What a shot! Pero malas lang, Idol. Oh! Foul pass the foul, Jay. We can even hear from here. Dribble, pass and post, Jay. Jump shot, wala. Rebound by Mark. Foul naman yun. Narinig naman namin yun. Ivan, ini-dribble, tumilis natin. Pass and post, Dennis. Boston pumasok. Malas lang, Boss Dennis. Bawi next time. Oh, Boss Happy! Nice to meet Boss Dennis! Ilalak na! Patay, 2 points by Boss Dennis. Nice layup. Napagod na. Sab na, boss. Up. Setting the play, Boss Jay. Post up, umikot. Other way daw, sabi ni Coach. Pinasa kay Boss Bobby. Nice go, ref. Nice pass. The other way, other way. Boss Dennis, ang point guard ng new team. Boss Dennis, dito na ball. Pinasa kay Mark. Yung next game, yung magtanda, accessing na po kayo. Kung may edad, mayroon po tayong bio-brace sa ICH. Boss Rafi rebound, pass ay Idol number 50. Tumingin, pumasa. Sang 1 for 2. Malas lang, Idol. Bawi next line. Pass na kay Boss Dennis. Boss Dennis! Malas yan, Boss Dennis! Bawi next line ulit, boss. Number 50. Boss Dennis, bawi next time, boss. Dalawang beses na yan. Stop. Next time. Boy, maglaro ka lang. Huwag ka muna mag-coach. Maglaro ka muna. Number 50. Stop, Jay. Number 50, pass to Boss Rafi. Boss Rafi, pumasok. Benga! Nice 3, Boss Rafi. Ang laso ng Team Marlon. Oy, sino yun? Bago. Tumira ka, boss. Idol, let's ka muna. Number 50, ball. Time out. Marlon team. Idol 23, mag-stretch ka muna. Unang shot, short. O yun na. Welcome po. Commissioner Austin. Okay lang po na si Boss, Commissioner. Bigyan po natin ng masigagong palakpakan ng bagong rep. Si Pastor, mabuhay tayo, Commissioner. Kung di dahil sa'yo, walang liga. Thank you. Substitution, referee. Jay, you're out. Pastor, you're in. 5 minutes, okay, Jay. You have to stop him. Keep good. Red ball, rap, red ball. Yan na, ganda lalaki. Ang daming bola, isa lang gagamitin natin, red. Red ball. Sino, bossing? Huwag mo nang kulit referee yan, bossing. Tandaan mo ang pangalan mo. Huwag mo nang kulit referee yan. Huwag nag-cancel. Pagkakala, huwag mo nang kulit referee yan, bossing. Number 50, tumidiskate. Oy! Pass to number 2. Number 2, tumidiskate ulit. Umapay, sir. Ano yun? Foul on number 23, push. Number 23, first foul. Huli. Nice goal, pare. Yan ang referee. Kahit malayo nakikita, patanglawin. Second na si Ivan. Ivan, you have 2% foul. Boss Rafi, pumukol. Number 2, ang laso ng Marlon. Ang laso ng Marlon. Siyang papakay sa niya. Hindi nyo pinatayan. Ivan. Oh, boy! No look pass po, boy. No look pass. Ayun, no look pass. Pass up, boy. Boss Dennis, tumakbol. Oh, rebound by Boss Dennis. Boss Dennis na po. Number 50. Diskatin mo, idol. Reball, tumidribble. Walang mapasahan. Oh, 90. Pero, nice pass. Still by Delo. Delo, nakita. Nice pass. Boss Dennis. Mintis na naman! Dennis, itong beses na yan, idol. From this practice on my time. Dennis, Boss Rafi, pumukot. Nice one, MVP! MVP! Patay tayo dyan. 8 points ka na, idol. It's on fire. Alban, pasa kay Boss Dennis. Nanginig na naman! Passing number 2. Sige, habol. Foul number 11. That's a good call, right? Good call. I like that. Then, Delo, ilan si Delo? First foul? 2 shots para kay Idol. Number 2, second free throw is no good. Rebound by Boston. Nice boy! Boy, tumukol! Malas lang boy, bawi next time ulit boy. Boy, limahan yan, okay? Limahan yan boy. Pasapasok yung pag-may time boy. Oh, Marlon! Pinakay bossing! Power play! Up! Ayan! Sumabay ka bakay! Nice goal pare! Respect the call! Respect the call! Ginado niya. Referee, nice one. Bye! Bye! Ano masasabi mo ba? Huwag ka magreklamo ha, commissioner yan, bye. Huwag ka magreklamo ba? Tanggal ka sa lika. Sandal na yan. Commissioner yan. Boss Jake, shot. Good call pare, I love that call. Popoy, pasa naman. Oh, tumira naman! Bang, bang! I love you, boy. In your face. Sabi sa sarili. Bang, bang. Number 50, nag-dribble. Boss Rafi. Malas lang, Boss Rafi. Pagod na. Boss Island, pinasakay po again. The cracks! Boy, limangan yan, sabi ko sa'yo. Come on. Limangan yan, boy. Hindi ka mananalo mag-isa. Walong shot pa yun. Number 15 to be discarded. Nicely, boy. Oh! Idol! Nice block! White ball. Good call. Nagagaling yung post ng pula. No post yun. Next time, makinig ka sa coach. Players. Oh, no pass! Oh, no nice pass by the six. What a play by Boss Dennis. Pag namintis mo yun, Dennis, umupo ka na. Oh, Boss Rafi. Umukol! Nice! Malas na ulit. Naubos. What's the call? Wala ng oras. Pass your paper. Tapos na. First half. Tinis or not tinis. Upo kayo sa mga bench. Mga kapatid. Ten. Tabla po yung game natin. 10-10. Uy, anong oras? Ba't ano? Sandali. Ba't naging 12-10? Oh, class ko pala players. Hello, huwag ka nang magreklamo. Referee is always good. Wala na tayo magagawa, commissioner yan. Mahirap kalagahin yan. Wipe mo. Kung sino dito magbubuha players, alam na kung sino kayo ha. Ayan, nandiyan po. Welcome po, Boss Denden. Denden Angeles, next season. Sign up na yan. Congressman Denden Angeles. Para counselor ng Carson. Welcome po, Boss Denden. Mark, pinasa kay Mark din. Pasa ka po, boy. Pasa naman. Nice pass by Idol. Idol pumasok. Meron pa pala ganun, pero malas lang, Idol. Malas lang, bawi next time. Number 50. Dito po, basketball. Marlon, pumasok. What a layup, pero may miss lang. Boy, all the pass. Oh, shoot it. Very. Boy. Pangapon natin yan, boy. Pangapon natin yan. Limahan yan, boy. Limahan yan, ha? Nakakapot ka na. Nakakapot ka na yan. Number 15, pasok. Bang, bang. Malas lang ito. Popoy nakalimod. Popoy again. Popoy. Oh, pass. Pero, malas lang si Idol. Idol, bawi next line. Number 50, oh. Ganda ng depensa. Pasa ka, Boss Marlon. Boss Marlon. Sumaksak. What a jump shot. Oh. Come on, ref. That's a good call. Good call, ref. Boss Marlon. Unang free throw. Pasok. Swak na swak. Boss Marlon. Bili po pasa yung bola sa akin. Sige, free throw. Malas na. Poy again. Tinutut pinasa kay Mark. Mark. Nag-hesitate. Nag-blood. Nag-layup. Pasok. In your face by Mark Rabanal. What a layup. May pang-highlights ka na, Idol. Kung may highlight ka na. Number 50, nag-dribble. Matawag ko. Nice tip by Alvin. Nice screen. Ang-jump shot. Boss Rapas ay Marlon. Marlon. Pinasa kay Boss Alvin. Number 50, pass kay Rapi. Rapi kumitaw. Bente. Oh, mali lang. Oh, di ba by Alvin? Alvin nag-power move. Malas lang, Boss Alvin. Power lang. That's a power rep. I saw that too. Oh, the position again. Or spin. Oh, pinasa kay Idol. Bente again. Boy, magsawa mo. Nice pass, boy. Oh, Mike. Binitawan. Pasa. Nice assist, Idol. Tama na yan, Mark. Dalawang pagmaiday na yan. Ay, dalawang pagmaiday na. Ay, dalawang pagmaiday na si Mark. Number 50, Luis Cape. Nagdidribble, pinasa kay Boss Rapi. Boss Rapi, pinasa kay Idol. Idol, nagdidribble, nagkukol ng play. Pinasa agad, pinalik. Nagdidribble. Hindi makalusok, pinasa kay Rapi. Rapi kumitaw! Bebe! Manny Villar in the house. Nakatrest na naman. Nasa platoon roll tayo mga kapatid. Popoy, nag-dribble, walang mapasahan, nag-isip, pinasa kay Broseris, Broseris, nag-drive, red ball. Ay, white ball pala, white ball. Foul. Foul number 13, Boss Marlon. Popoy, walang mapasahan din kay Mark, nag-dribble, pinasa kay Popoy, tumira na naman! What a What a no-look shot by Popoy. What a no-look shot by Popoy. Pasa-pasa na boy, nakakapito ka din ka na. Nakakapito ka din ka na. Number 50. Dumidiscount at pinasang ko sa Rapi. Rapi, tumitaw. Bang! In your face. Ano kaya pinakain ni Boss Rapi? Magandalaro na ngayon. Popoy! Oh, Buya! Kasama na lang mo, Popoy. Pumark again. Pasaan mo yung Popoy. Titira uli yan, mga kapatid. Popoy! Nag-dribble! Nag-dribble na, Poy! Tira na! Tira na, Poy! Tira na! Nice pass, Poy! Mark! Benga! Malasak. Sa tinira mo na, Poy. Oh! Si Idol! Oh, nice pass! Ito na bitawan ni Boss Marlon. Pinasa kay Rapi again. Rapi! Oh, rebound. Ni Idol. Rapi again. Marlon. Post up by Marlon. Too small for Marlon. Oh, rebound. Again by Marlon. Nice job. Oh, Marlon again. Marlon. Oh. Sub. Nice move, Boss Marlon. Sub, rep, sub. What a power play by Boss Marlon. Lamang po ang Gordena. Oh. Ivan, this ka na pasok kay Delo, pusap, pumasok, reverse, pasok, 2 small. Yan na. Nakakalabaw na si Boss Delo. Hinay-hinay lang. Dennis Jr. Boss Jake, do not Boston. Pass to Boss Marlon. Pass kay Rafi. Ben again. Oh, malas na. Boss Delo. Tumireto. Anong tawag yan? Okay lang, Boss Delo. Okay lang. Next side si Boss Delo. Perfect dumidiskarte, humingi ng pin. Hinintay si Boss Marlon. Boss Marlon dumidiskarte. Pinasahan si Idol. Idol, nag-isip. Pinasa ulit kay Marlon. Boss Dick. Siyempre, pinalo tayo mo ngayon. Oh! Awin! Napakabalas naman, Idol. Okay lang yan, bawi next time. Okay! Tira! Next pass. Pasa mo, Ivan! Pasa mo! Tinira ni Ivan. Walang tiwala si Ivan kay Popoy. Kaya di pinasa. Bawi next slide. Oh, time out sa pula. Nakita natin lahat, libre si Popoy pero di pinasahan. Okay lang yan, Popoy. Okay lang kung bawi next slide, Popoy. Ganti-ganti lang yan, Popoy. Ganti-ganti lang. Nakita namin po, you're so white, pero di pinasa ni Boss Ivan. Pero okay lang yan. Score, 22-19 lamang ang puti. Team Gordeta. Ayun mga bagong players, hindi kayo makakalaro. You have to sign your waivers. Go to the company's table, you have to sign your waivers. Mga bagong pasok, welcome po. Wala bang pagkain po mga komisyoner? Ayun na po, may idol po tayo. Ito na. Announcer. Dito na. Yung Junior. Bobby Junior. Nandito na. Bobby Junior. Dito na, idol. Welcome back. Nandito po tayo. Mag-i-interview po tayo mga kapatid. Nandito po tayo. Idol, Arvin. Arvin. Ito ka, Arvin. Dito ka. Idol. Yan. Ano masasabi mo sa liga natin yan, Arvin? New surroundings. Next time. Ano na kung mo ngayon? Masaya ka ba? Ano ito? Masaya. Ayun? Maraming kaibigan. Oh! What a powerful move! Rebound by Boss Jake. Rebound. Sabi, get out. Oh. May call pa sila. Number 1. Bobby, tawag ka nito. Masabi mo kay Kuya Bobby. Bobby's right there. Good to see him. Oh. Idol, si Boss Rafi naman, bumitaw! Oh, rebound by Idol. Rebound, dumidiskarte. Walang mapasahan. The stretch, nice pass. Right ball. Oh, come on, Red! That's a right ball! Come on, I saw that too! Come on, Red! You need glasses? Come on! Technical on Red. Special. Balls on line. Rebound by Ivan. Oh, Ivan is the referee. Ivan. Basta. Ivan is the referee. No one was a player. Ano ka traffic thing? Nauna ka ng referee ang mga player. Condition na condition si commissioner. Condition na condition yan. Come on, Rob. Daddy! Bobby! Ready now. Rob, time out, Rob, the commissioner. Okay. Ano nangyari? Oh, mahihigan laban ngayon. Relax na mga batid. First game pa lang yan. First game, jump shot, wala. Mark, rebound mo, Mark. Delon! What a pass! Kaya pinangalan sa mga break. Nice layup. Too small for Boss Ivan. Si Boss Jason, mainit na naman. Relax lang, Boss Jason. First game of the season. Boss Marlon, pinasa kay Idol. Pinasa kay Boss J, Lopez, Big Boy Moves, rebound by Marlon, nice follow-up! Now, 2 ball kay Boss Marlon. Popoy again. Magagawin kaya ni Popoy. Papasta o titira. Ang dante, napakagaling mo, boy!
Andyan po, nagtatapos ang first half. May pagsagot ako rito, Brad.
Nice. Ano masasabi mo sa may special guest mo tayo ngayon, Arvin? Ano masasabi natin sa linggo ngayon, Arvin? May idol mo talaga muna. Okay, everybody, kami lang po tayo. Tubig-tubig lang para lumamig po tayo. Okay. May kumusip po tayo sa Team White. Relax ko lang po tayo. First game lang po tayo mga kapatid. Relax. Bili po tayo ng halo-halo. Kung gusto yung halo-halo, may litas, may yung buong mga komisyoner, halo-halo, masarap yan. Mas malapit. Chowking, Jollibee.
Gusto nyo ba? Alam mo na. May pangsagot kami dito, men. Ano pala masasabi mo sa Bobby Jr.?
Okay, back to the ball game. Red ball. Score 25-23 lamang ang puti. Defense na, red ball this way.
Ang score po natin is 25-23 in favor of Team Gordeta.
Boss Alwin, nag-doon. Marlon, dumidiscarded. Post up by Boss J. Pumapose, pinasa Boss Marlon, tumira. Up, short, rebound by Boss J. Rebound, too small for Boss J. Boss Jason, pumasok na naman. Miscommunication on defense. What a pass. Miscommunication on defense on the red team. Galing na naman sila. Relax. Boss Dennis. Free throw. Bitaw. Pasok. Nice, Boss Dennis. Okay lang yan, Boss Dennis. Practice din. Boss Marlon. Makahanap ng libre. Hinahanap si Boss Dennis. Post up. Kabay, Boss Dennis. Hindi kabay. Si Boss Dennis ang nakahawak. Hindi lang ni Boss Dennis. Tubig for Boss Dennis. Boss Alwin. Makahanap ng basahan. Poste kay Boss J. Pinaling kay Alwin. Dribble. Power move. What a foul! Number 6. No, on the ground. On the ground. Everybody saw it. On the ground.
Walang foul.
On the ground. Who's foul?
Walang foul.
Walang foul?
Wala.
Alright. Bottom finger. Yellow. Nagmamadala. No foul. Nagmamalagan. Tumawag. Kasagot mo. No foul. Pwede na naman, Bosawi na hanap si Jay. Marlon, sumaksak, tumira. Balag, ibang by Telo. Telo na naman, pinasa kay Boss Dennis. Pinasa kay Ivan. Nagana na, papasahan. Pinasa kay Boss Dennis, pinasa kay Mark. Mark! Oh! Ah, kamawin, nasa lupa. Nice to know, Boss Alvin, power rebound. Boss Jay. Boss Jay. Boss move. Reverse. Wala. Who's foul? Number 11 or number?
Alan.
Number 40.
Foul on Alan Hamlias.
Kala ko na naman, mag-iinin na naman si Boss Delo. Boss Delo, relax lang, boss. First game wala.
Relax
lang, boss.
Di mo naman nakasulak. Mahihit ang mga
Mahihit. Oh. Nice pass. Ivan. Midiskarte. Nasa kay Boss Dennis. Tingnan natin kung mapapasok. Tennis na naman. Ivan. Magmamatilan. Naglayap. Wala ka. Nice pass, Boss Maxi.
Nice pass.
Nice pass. Labang na po ang Mike Cordeta. Hindi pa lumalamang. Labang po ang lamang. Delos. Pinasa kay Idol. Si Idol dumidiskarte. Pinasa ulit. Mark. Tinan natin. Dumidiskarte pumitaw. Idol, sabi ko na mag-stretch ka muna. Pangalawang tira mo na yan, Idol. Give up. Layup. Nice pass. That's not a foul, rep. That's a good call. Oh! Ano yan, Idol?
30-29.
Idol, relax lang. Stress lang, Idol. Idol. Bawi next time. Oh, Ivan to discuss it. Power move. Miss the layup. Right ball. Okay lang yan. That's a good
Sub,
call, right?
Sub, get ready. Sub.
Napakagandang bebot dun sa pinto, guys. Lalaki sa bintana. Boboy, naghanap pa saan? Pinasa kay Dennis. Dennis, binalik kay Boboy. Hindi na kaya. Patay! Wala na look shot by Boboy.
No look shot.
No look shot by Boboy. Boboy! Idol! Idol, nasa-discount natin. Pinasa kay Boss Marlon. Boss Marlon, naghanap pa saan? Oh, holding foul by Boss Dennis. That's, ilang foul si Boss Dennis? 2 foul, Boss Dennis. Ilang foul ka na?
2 fouls.
2 fouls. Oh, pinasa kay Boss Tati. Boss out. Oh! That's an offensive foul. Oh, come on. That's a good call, right? Good acting to one. Good acting to one. That's a foul clock. Ayan. Tumira. Pasok na naman. Bang, bang. Score. 36-29. Lamang na naman ang Mike Cordeta. Same goal daw, sabi ni Coach. Post up kaya kay Boss Jay. Post up. Oh, what a move. Hey, come on. Mark. Kabulan. Ano gagawin na yan, Mark? Boss Ivan. Oh, come on, rep. What a call. Nice call, rep. Foul. Who's foul, rep? Number. Marlon. Ay! Ivan, second free. Papasok kaya?
In and out.
In and out, good.
Hamburger. Sarap po.
Ano, Boss Jay? Diba? Wala na yan! Uy! Ba't mo inano si Ivan? As the same team, boy. As the same team. Hello, Diego. Alright, that's a nice steal by Marlon. Marlon gets got there. What a shot! Marlon lang, boss Marlon. That's a good shot, Marlon. Ivan. Marlon with the good captain. May papasahan. Inanap si boss. Another turnover by Team Marlon. That's 7 turnovers.
Sayang, sayang.
Yep. You're correct, coach. 7 turnovers. Easy play. 11 turnovers? Correction, 11 turnovers. Sorry, coach, it's 11 turnovers. Wala po yung mga key player ng Team Marlon, especially si John Perlas, the hype man.
Coach, sabi ni ko noon.
Si mga nanonood kasi nasa loob ng court. Hindi naman sa features.
Ayan na, nagbigay ng pointer si Coach Jason. Oh, Babalan! Napaka-buhaya naman, boy! Pasa mo naman ang bola, boy! Ilang minutes na yan, boy? Boy, di malang yan, ha? SFC, oh, bola pass! Pass up, man! Basawi, limang ball, Zay! Dumiskate, pinasok! Oh, malas lang, limang ball, Dennis! Oh, pinagawin si Idol! Idol, pabagin! Nagkayaan pa! Oh! Pabagin! Hindi na kaya? Ivan, dumiskate! What a lick! Oh, okay! Nice pass! Nice, Alvin! Oh! That's a good call, ref! That's a good call!
Yun. Wait. Ito yung layer. Alam mo na.
Ay, huwag mo magano. Ano tayo ka?
Ay, Joe, sabi ng teammate yung bago sa loob. Huwag na lang nangyayari pag-fix sa'yo.
Welcome po! Ayan ang po. Welcome po sa Liga ulit. Welcome dito. So, no discrimination lang po tayo ngayon. Teka po, ha? Oh, what a back shot! Number 2.
2 points, scoring.
Ang prodigy ni Boss Dave Volpi, Dave Zamon. Oh boy, okay ang gagawin ni Boboy. Discarte, pinasa kay Mark. Pinasa kay Delo, discarte, pinasa kay Mark. Pinasa natin, Boss Dennis, pumosto! Whoa! What a call, ha? That's a nice call. Number 15. Boss Dennis, 2 free throw. Meron kaya wala? First free throw ni Boss Dennis. What's up? Boss Dennis. Dito, mas ang Boss Dennis. 8 seconds. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Score! 38-33 naman po ang puti. Oh, sige na, pwede na, walang tayo na. Come on, guys. Pasok na. Come on. May trabaho pa yung iba dyan. Come on, pasok na guys, come on. It's not a thing. It's just 4 corner now. Come on guys. Call it, guys, call it. 5 ball. 10, 9,
Right ball.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 ball. Ang bagal nila eh. Mainit. Ay mo na naman. Wala open. Malas lang. Oh, rebound by Mark. Put back. Miss. Oh, Bostelo. Ano kaya gagawin ni Bostelo? Oh, nice pass by... Oh, Popoy na naman. Magpasa ka, Poy. Referee si Boss Dennis. Sa kabila. Oh, nagpasan. Nawala ni Lalo. Pass! Tumuha na pass, Poy. No-look pass by Popoy.
No-look, nakita.
Para no-look pass by Popoy. Poste again by Poste. Poste. Poste, oh. Still by Poste. Popoy again. Itira ni Popoy. Tira. 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 Nasa nila si Popoy. Tira. 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 Oh, what a pass. Ivan. Nice pass by Mo. Oh, what a shot by Mark. Next game, dress up. Team June and Team Ino. Second game. Idol, binigay kay Idol. Idol, pinasa kay Boss Rafi. Boss Rafi. Malas lang Boss Rafi. Bawi next time. Ivan. Tumidiskarte. Naghanap ng pasahan. Open sub guys, okay? Open sub po to. Open sub. Anybody can go in. Ivan. Oh! Ivan is on fire. Sabra. Open sub guys, open sub. Everybody can go in. Time out. Marlon. Time out Marlon, right? Okay, sabi ni Coach Dalo, pahinga muna daw kayo. Time out, 40 seconds guys. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the ball game, fellas. Tonight.
One time out each. Ayun lang ha. Time out.
Boss Mark, Rabanal, pwede kayo pumasok ha. Open sub yan. Kaya Idol, pasok ka na Idol. Hindi ka na makapasok na. Pasok ka na, open sub yan Idol. Pag magaling sa coach mo, it's open sub. Everybody's going to do it. Pagkabos si Delo Idol, open sub yan. Hindi open sub yan Idol. Nice one. Iba by Delo. Oh, sino kaya ang foul? Number 50.
Marami yung ba't di mo tinawagan? Lagarin.
Lasyan, Malbay, lasyan.
Pero, mag-shot clock boy. Full game, mag-shot clock.
10 seconds shot clock. 8, 7, 6. Putang ina, boy! What a shot! What a nice no-look shot by Popoy. Asitado yan, Mr. Capsuler.
It's a double zero. What's 33? What's 50?
Kailangan si Mr. Hyper. John Perlas na next season. Wala silang Mr. Hyper. Paging John Perlas, please sign up next season para may malakas na rebounder ang Team Marlon. Malambot. Oh boy! Sige na kaya, nice pass. Pasa kay Boss Mark, pasa kay Dennis. One hole. Score! 52-33.
How many seconds? 33, 52 minus 33. What? 52 minus 33. I was doing, okay, 5 and 2. And then 3 and 2.
Serve, serve!
5 and 3.
bagong player. Bigay naman kayo. First game pa naman.
Nagbayad din yan, nagbayad.
Nagbayad din yan. Nakapasok. Yan. Nice. Nice, idol. Pagkakataon, kailangan mo score. 0.1.
But I need a 12. Okay, so 2 minus 12. What's 3 minus 12? Minus 12?
Over the back.
9. Okay, then now 5 becomes 4.
Wow.
So what's 5
Oh.
minus 3? 5 minus 3? 4 minus 3. Sorry, 4 minus 3. Yeah, because 5 became 4. 1 and 9.
Wala pa rin idol, malas na. Sa ba idol, it's okay, you have 5 more minutes to score.
So you're good at math. I know you're good at math. You are good at math.
One time when I was doing
Next game, dress up. Team June versus Team Pino. So warm up the boss June. Hand up. Boss Delo. Take the dribble. Lock that, boss. 15-second shot clock. Boss Mark, tumukin! Wow! Ginawang asitan si Boss Marlon. Bawi next slide.
It's by 10.
Idol, pinasa Boss Jay. Power moves. No, Sam. Boss Rafi. Ito discount, pinasa kay Idol. Idol! What a foul. 2 free throw. Foul number 11. That's a legit foul by number 11. Number 4 na si Delo, Boss Delo. Boss Marlon, tumakda! Pasok! Alright, what a layup by Idol. What a power move. 2 minutes, 4 points. Already 4 points. Okay, si Ivan. Ivan, dumidiskarte. Crossover. Easy lang daw, Ivan. Oh, mautang din si Boss Dennis. Alam niya. Sistema. Patay! Alam po yan ng mga discarding na team captain. Ang score ay mahalaga every game. Oh, Boss Rafi pumilaw. Oh, welcome back po. Pinagpapit tayo walang diskriminasyon. Welcome back po, Jarrell Pineda. Ang nag-iisang first pick po, number 1 pick po ng Team Hondo. Joel Pineda. Welcome back, Idol. Welcome back, boss. Ano masasabi mo? Ano mga fans? Okay lang tayo dyan? Nice ball. Guys, just one reminder, mahalaga po ang points ng bawat game. Bahala kayo. Point system po tayo guys, point system. Proven na yan, 2 years in a row. Maraming gusto, okay lang. Oh, what a shot, boy. Don't give up, guys. Remember, last season is a point system game. 17 seconds, 15 up. Line, white ball.
May kadala po, kala po